Video, you're not going to find any of this or this, and you certainly won't find any of this. Honestly, I don't even know how he got into that position. But if you are tight, if you're stiff, if your body is not very flexible and you like to improve your mobility, you're in the right place. This is the right video for you. So clear some space on your floor and let's get to work. Let's get started with a lumbar rotation stretch. Lay on your back with your right knee bent. With your left hand, grab the outside of your right knee and pull that over to your left side until you get a good comfortable stretch through your lower back and through your hip. We're going to hold this for 30 seconds.